Title: The Power of Perseverance.
He modified the painting tools to fit Alex's feet and showed him how to use them. Alex's journey was not easy. He faced numerous setbacks and frustrations. Many times, his attempts resulted in mere smudges or uneven lines. However, he refused to let these failures define him. He practiced tirelessly, each day bringing new hope and determination. Years passed, and Alex's dedication started to pay off. His paintings began to show real promise. His unique style, born out of using his feet, created artwork that was unlike anything anyone had seen before. He held his first art exhibition in his village, and to everyone's amazement, his paintings sold like hotcakes. News of Alex's incredible journey spread beyond the village. A renowned art critic visited his exhibition and was moved by the story behind the art. Over the years,